Everything a bargain.
Damn! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That hum Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No， 唔好要我講第二次啊！我冇啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦！
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食唔多你食埋啦，
我話你知啊，你唔好再有啲咁嘅嘢。
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop! You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you. 我等咗成個禮拜，就係等呢。Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! Give a little toe higher! Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd!
睇撚住你個撚我唔撚順眼啊！話你知啊，你實死硬啊！好痛啊！
gonna kill you.
Fuck dog eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Fuck! Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it
But
against
for God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs, Asian ones, don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
easy now.
I'm not doing that. Then the water still have to